19-46960-UN Marissa L. Clark versus Jason Clementino Gutierrez. We are here today for arraignment on a bench warrant, and we are proceeding today by video conference.
Your Honor, this computer screen is doing something.
All right, if there's an officer there, can you ask them to step in and help you with it?
I think it's all good now.
Okay. You are Jason Clementino Gutierrez?
Yes.
Have you received a copy of the bench warrant?
I haven't. I knew that I had one, but I didn't get a copy of it. But I knew that I did have a warrant.
Can you stick your head out and let the officer know that you need a copy of that?
Yes. The door is locked.
All right. Just do whatever you need to do.
Officer?
You call. We'll call over there and tell them that you need a copy of
the judge wants he needs me to have a copy of the bench warrant.
Got it. I'll get it right now, bud.
Thank you.
Okay, while they're getting that for you, Mr. Gutierrez, I will let you know that the warrant alleges that you failed to appear for a show cause hearing on September 11, 2023. The underlying show cause is that you have a monthly child support charge of $395 and that you have an arrearage in child support payments that currently amounts to $13,927.84. Mr. Gutierrez, do you understand that it is a crime to fail to pay child support to the best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
Yes.
Do you understand that it's a crime to fail to appear in court when you've been ordered to appear?
I didn't know. I knew that.
Okay, I just need Mr. Gutierrez, I don't want you to say anything other right now than just answer the questions. We'll get to a point where you'll be able to explain it if you want to explain it, but I've got to ask you some questions first. Do you have a copy of that warrant now?
Yes.
Do you understand that if you were to plead guilty to either of the offenses that I've outlined, that you could be sentenced to jail for up to 30 days?
Yes.
You are entitled to have a trial, and you can't be convicted unless the evidence at your trial proves that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You are entitled to have an attorney represent you here today and at any other proceedings that we have regarding this matter. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you cannot afford your own attorney, you can tell me that, and I'll appoint one for you from the public defender's office. Do you understand that also?
Yes.
You want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Okay, do you have the ability to pay for your own?
No.
All right. We have contacted the public defender's office, and as soon as she gets logged in, I will have you meet with her.
Okay.
Hey Sarah, it's Kelly to Joseph Rose. Do you know when Miss Underwood is going to be logged into our court? We have a pickup for Jason Gutierrez and FOC Warner. All right, it is Judge Olsaver is doing it for Judge Anselm. Thank you. Bye. Seriously, just a text her.
Your Honor, we can go ahead and proceed. The more I think about it, I'm not sure how much.
She just logged in, so, in just 1 second, I'm gonna put you in a breakout session so she can speak to you, directly.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Underwood, I'm gonna put you in a breakout session with Mr. Gutierrez.
Okay, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Underwood, do you want to place your appearance on the record?
Rhonda Underwood for Mr. Gutierrez, Your Honor.
And do you know how Mr. Gutierrez wants to proceed today?
I would ask that the court enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Gutierrez's behalf, Your Honor. Mr. Gutierrez lives in Hudson at the same address I believe the friend of the court has. He hasn't went anywhere. He is looking for employment, Your Honor. He has transportation issues, so that has complicated things, but he is looking for employment. We would ask if the court would consider letting Mr. Gutierrez out on a PR bond and having Judge Anzalone with the understanding he will pay $300 by Monday, and that this case be scheduled with Judge Anzalone on Monday.
Okay, so I've had a chance to look at the register of actions in this case. This is a show cause that started back in September of 2022. The register of actions reflects that Mr. Gutierrez had a bench warrant issued for failure to appear on November 28th, 2022. That was returned on July 19 of 2023. He then had this bench warrant issued for failure to appear on September 11, 2023, and returned today, March 20, 2025. So I don't think that kind of a record supports releasing Mr. Gutierrez on a personal recognizance bond. Just isn't anything that would lead me to believe that he would appear again at this point. What I'm going to do is set this for a hearing on Monday morning with Judge Anzalone at her normal time for handling front of the court show causes. What is that? Does she do those at 8:15 also?
Yes, Your Honor. To my knowledge, there's no dockets for Monday, so I'm not sure if she's hearing court. I'm not sure.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're correct. So she is out this Monday. So the following Monday is March 31st at 8:15, and I'm going to leave the bond set at the $1,500 that is currently set.
And I'm sorry, how much, Your Honor?
It's $1,500.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gutierrez, you can let the officer with you know that you're done with court for today.
So what happens, if I come up with $1,500, I can get bailed out until the 31st, or what's?
Yes.
Correct. If you can post the bail, you'll be released, and you still have your hearing on the 31st.
Okay.
All right, so you're all set for today.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Underwood.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, Ms. Vasquez, have a nice day.